around all of London 3 times, and then you can come in. And he's like, where are you from? And she's like, oh my gosh, I'm from Wiltshire, but now I live in London. She just so randomly. And it's so funny to me. Stop! VIP coming through! VIP coming through! She's crazy. This light behind you looks so weird. You look like you're getting sucked out of the window. How did you even make that noise? Well, Mads is away and I have a moment of... Don't do that! Just so that you guys are aware, I don't know the context either. I don't know the context. Oh my god. Baby, come give me something, oh. Baby, come give me something, oh. Today is a great day because I finally am getting rid of this ugly silver table. Like, I hate it so much. I think I got it for free and I was just like, I need a table for my stuff to go underneath my mirror. And I just... Capo is outside and barking, and I really hate it so much. Every time I look at it, I'm just like, drum roll. Da, 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 da. I got this cute little console table that matches my bed so well. You see curved edges, and I think it's exactly what I need. Oh, absolutely not. Nice. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, so the couch goes here. I think this way. Yeah. I'm just trying to make it legal. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do it. It's like too big for the room. I don't know about this. Since you've been gone, I can do whatever I want. I can eat my dinner in a fancy restaurant. What do you need help with? Nothing. I said, come on, enjoy the vibes. Come on. Come in here. Come on. Basically, I'm trying to figure out where to put this lantern. Like, was it just too basic to have it in this? Like, I'm looking at it and I'm like, I kind of regret buying it because it's big. Well, not that, but it's like so, I thought it would look a little bit more unique. Like, to me, it's giving the same exact vibe as my other one did. But basically, I'm wondering if I should put it. Wait, it's kind of a vibe in the middle of the room, I thought. You feel? Because is it big enough for that? Do we have more hooks? Oh, we do have hooks downstairs. I think I've seen that. But I would have to drill a hole and all that. Yeah, but it's not that hard. Man! Some things in life are just easier with a man. I can be your man. Oh, come here. No. She is so... lesbian. No, you're not. You're not. Because you're not a lesbian and we don't want to spread false information on the internet. Right. Masculine bisexual. Yes, Matt is a masculine bisexual. But I'm actually not mask. I'm just like very femme, mostly femme, slight mask. Okay. I'd say 80 femme, 20, nope, 75 femme, 25 mask. Matt and I are walking on the street. She will walk on the side closest to the street. And a couple vlogs back where I showed how we went on a walk together and there was a car accident. When the car accident happened, we didn't see the cars crashing, we just heard them, and she literally was like protected me. Like, she was my bodyguard. I think that every girl deserves a Mads. She is my protector. I'm gonna give it up.
Can you
Cute, cute, cute.
I'm not talking about following people. I'm not talking about following your friends. I'm not talking about following different preachers. I'm not talking about following
Yeah, right? This is actually perfect.
Can you
I'm really excited about this.
stretch my hands to you?
What if I heard this song?
Okay. Without
Oh, right.
your loving mercy, tell
Oh, she just went in there.
I don't really love you anymore. You've become my ceiling.
I did not reach
I don't
this.
think I love you anymore.
Yeah, you surely
That woman changed you.
This is kind of comical. Okay, this is much better.
We stand.
We stand. Thank you, Matt James. Okay, so I can tell that I'm severely going through it right now because my room is just chaos. Like I don't know why I bought this plant today, and I feel like I shouldn't have because I genuinely don't have the room. I really like this pot that it's in. I think it's so cute, but to be genuinely, like, completely honest, it wasn't a need, and I don't know why I got that plant because it's so beautiful, but it's like I don't have the space for it. Anyways, I received from Vitruvi their humidifier, which they were so kind enough to send. Basically, I get sick super often in LA because it's so dry. I have asthma. I don't know if that has something to do with it, but I just get a lot of like congestion. I just not a fan of the feeling personally, and I also wonder if my skin. Yeah.
Are you gonna put that one down?
Why are you dressed like it's 30 degrees?
No, I just put this
Wait,
on.
can you come do an outfit check?
You insist.
Come show them what you look like, because it's like summer to me in here, yet Mads is dressed like she's in Siberia.
You're like about to go to the beach.
No, fully. That's my bedroom really does feel really warm right now. Look, we have the heat on. It's cold downstairs. It's cold. It's cold. A big lump of night. It has the juice. It has the juice. I will take you anywhere. Okay, so we're gonna unbox. Okay, you should do like real reactions.
Okay. Are you saying real
Like
winky
ooh,
face or like?
like.
Okay.
So
First glance.
no. Only what they can see.
Oh, what are you yelling at? I'm sorry. Kitty.
Okay, so first up we have a humidity sensor.
Sorry, my son is pissing me off.
Yeah, Frankie is just meowing like a crazy man. Okay, and then the second thing is just the humidifier itself, but let's just unbox it!
Oh my god.
Your humidifier is really nice, and I like it a lot actually.
Thank you.
It's pretty cute.
I put it usually on the other side of my bed. It's just really hard to fill up.
Yeah. I think this is upside down, so I'm gonna open it.
Okay, it keeps getting smaller and smaller. Literally, like the more that you open more of the boxes. At first I was like, oh, it's gonna be that big. Oh, it's gonna be that big. Oh, and now it's that big.
Now it's this. Okay, how cute! It's called the Cloud.
Am I supposed to have good reactions?
What do you feel about this? Honest. What's your honest?
Honestly,
small.
Bianca, I really thought it was gonna be like at
Huge.
least double that size.
To be honest, when I got the other Vitruvi thing, I thought the same thing.
Bigger.
Their product photos, actually, like, I'm fine with this size.
Yeah,
Like,
and
it
it'll
looks
actually
so
look quicker.
cute.
Hello, Cash right there.
It would look amazing.
Can I hold it?
Yeah. It look cute.
Oh,
I know.
the birds.
Nighttime. 8 hours, 12 hours, 16 hours,
24
24 hours.
hour. That means it can.
My thing with humidifiers is like, it's the fact that they want only filtered water in it, and I'm upstairs, so.
It's so nice that this is filtered.
Oh, so I don't have to put a filter?
No.
Oh, wait, that's actually so cool. This is not an ad. This is not an ad.
This thing is so expensive, you would hope it would come with a water filter.
This is not an ad. I was just gonna say it's very annoying in humidifiers how you have to put pure, like, filtered water in there. But Vitruvi's actually comes with a filter. Shout out to them. No, this is not an ad, guys. I am not at the subscriber level where brands sponsor my videos, and I wish that they would. Call me if you wanna pay me, because honestly, like, this is a pretty good review, and I bet I put you guys on. It's so freaking cute. Because look how adorable it is. And then my Monstera will get some nice humidity. Okay, we decided to put this plant here because obviously it's stellar. She's cute. She's next to the Matisse, and it's beautiful. I shouldn't try to fit her in my room because look at this. Hashtag chaos.
Stop! Gotta stop there. You just gotta stop there. I'm not gonna tell you why. Just stop there. Just stop there. Stop asking questions. Coming through. They're coming through. Hey, get back. Get back. Oh, get back. Got VIP coming through. VIP coming through. Where you going? Where you going? Toilet.